Here I have Tesla Model Y, and in this example I will show you what is the joy mode, and I will show you how to simply use it, how to enable and disable this simple and useful mode. Let's begin. So, a sleeping baby in the back. There is no problem with the joy mode. Teslas sometimes are loud with chimes, but if you have kid, you need to turn on the joy mode immediately. Let me show you how to do it. At the very beginning, let's use this icon right here, the car icon in the left down corner. Of course, here you've got the full list of available features and settings that you can use on your Tesla. So basically, all newer Teslas have this tap safety. Let's tap safety. And from the list of safety features, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the list, and here you've got the joy mode. You can read the instruction, and as you can see, enabling joy mode reduces the volume of your car's chimes. So basically, if you would like to have like a nice quiet drive, you can just enable the joy mode. Let me show you the difference. For example, if you use the directions right here, you can see how quiet is it. But if you disable the joy mode, it's like 2 times noisier. So let's just see the difference one more time. Enable joy mode, quiet, joy mode disabled, louder. So as simple as that. Make your Tesla road trips peaceful, subscribe to Hardest Cars, and thanks for watching.